guys, so I know I haven't made a video in a long time, but Christmas happened and New Year's Eve happened and New Year's Day happened, so I haven't really had time to film anything. I just sat down to film this look using my Revoloution Forever Flawless Constellation palette. And so, with that being said, let's get to the video and I hope you enjoy it.
I've already got my foundation and eye rose and my eyelids primed, so I can move on to start applying this matte purple shadow called Cosmic to my crease. I'm then blending it outwards towards my brow bone in a circular shape. Staying with the same small blending brush, I'm moving to a matte hot pink shadow called Jupiter, and I'm using it to blend out the edges of my purple shadow. And then I'm just going back to re-intensify that purple shadow. Now, using this royal blue shadow called Neptune on a small smudge brush, I'm running it quite heavily under my lower lash line. And then going back to that hot pink shadow on a blending brush to blow out that lower lash line. And then reapply that blue shadow under the lower lash line with that same small smudge brush. Now, taking some concealer on a small flat detail brush, I'm going to use this to carve out the inner 2/3 of my lid. This will provide a sticky base for the shimmering eyeshadow that I'm going to apply in a moment. Taking the shade Spiral, which is a lovely shimmering lavender shadow, I'm patting this onto the middle of my lid and slightly blending it with my outer corner. And then I'm patting this shimmering yellow gold shadow called Solar to the inner third of my lid. I did find with this shadow in particular that I had to really pack on the shadow to get any sort of payoff. And now I'm using a teal blue glitter eyeliner from Collection in the shade Le Freak, and I'm just running it across my upper lash line and winging it out at the end. And to avoid pulling out all of my eyelashes, I curled them off camera, and so now I'm just applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And to highlight my inner corners and brow bone, I'm using this NYX highlighter in Twilight Tint, which I know it doesn't look like it on camera, but it has a really pretty bluish violet duochrome shift. Now I'm moving to the face, and I'm just warming it up with some bronzer on a fluffy powder brush, and I'm keeping this mostly to the perimeter of my face and slightly under my jawline. And I'm also just adding a smidge of contouring just to add some definition to my huge moon face. And just to help bring things together, I'm applying this matte peachy coral blush to the apples of my cheeks and to the tip of my nose. And of course, I'm going to highlight the rest of my face with my absolute favourite Mega Lightning highlighting powder. And to finish off this look, I'm going in with this much loved lipstick by Maybelline in the shade Purple Glam.